Hello, and welcome to the Tip of the Week. This week's topic is Suggest Edits to a Google Doc. In your daily work, you may be required to collaborate with other employees on a Google Doc. As part of this collaboration, you may be required to suggest edits to the document. Instead of using comments to do this, Google has added a feature called Suggesting, which allows you to make suggested edits to the document. Let's look at how to turn on Suggesting and make suggested edits. Open an existing Google document. On the right side of the menu bar, click on Editing and then click Suggesting. By switching to Suggesting, you are not directly editing the document. You are suggesting edits that the owner or team should make. Once Suggesting is turned on, start making the suggested edits. The owner of the document will receive an email and will be able to accept the edits or decline them. Do you have questions about using Google Workspace? There are several resources available. The links and contact information are listed here.